guys. Hey there guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make Firey for BFDI in Geometry Dash. So reveal. I'm going to be spoiled. So reveal them and then choose one. And there's a bonus for it. So for gelatin, you're going to choose this. As of this, you would need to, it needs to be this color. If you don't mean to be spoiled. Now let's get on to Firey. Firey should be this icon. And you must change its color so it would look like Firey. That's kind of better. Doing it again. Firey ship. For Firey, choose that one. For the ball, for Firey's ball, pick this one. For the UFO of Firey, pick the Super Nintendo-like. For the wave, choose that wave. For the robot, choose that one. Wow! For the spider, I want you to pick this spider. For the thingamajig for Firey, I want you to choose the Among Us looking one. And that's how you make Firey from Geometry Dash. Goodbye.